When you get those guys out here with the backpacks and they're, taking up your whole day, your whole yard, and they're spraying stuff, I mean, that's fine and all, but it doesn't last very long. They leave, the bugs come back, you got to call them back out. It's a lot of hassle. With the MCS bug spray, it's installed, it's permanent. You set it, it automatically sprays when you want it to. It can happen at midnight. It doesn't even have to affect your day at all.
We tried a lot of different things. We tried the backpack mosquito spray companies. It just didn't work as soon as the guys left.
And Lord knows what they're spraying with. And those guys, seriously, like you said, right when they left, the bugs were back. With this nozzle system that MCS has, it's virtually invisible, lifetime guarantee, all different kinds of service plans to come and refill, organic and pet-friendly options.
Forget the backpack sprays. Those things don't work. The results start to diminish as soon as the technician leaves your property. They're worthless. The only permanent solution for insect control is a misting system.
MCS, it's so much more reliable. You just have it done. You can't even really see these nozzles. I mean, they're all over the place. You can't see a single one of them. It's absolutely fantastic. Strongly recommended.